property next 1.2 miles, stay on road. You know what that means? We're going. I'm like a mole coming out of his house. Well, welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm Carl, and you're with SideXSide Survival and Adventures. And today's adventure is going to be absolutely spectacular. I'm a little bit outside the town of Nixon, northern Nevada, in the Winnemucca Dry Lake bed. This mountain range here on the other side is Pyramid Lake. We're headed to the Nightingale Mountains up there. We're going to traverse through that canyon, come around the top over here, and there's some mines back in there, and we're going in them, and it's going to be pretty fun. I'm waiting for the other guys to show up. I'm here a little bit early, but just look at this country out here. Look at, I mean, how beautiful it is. Just gorgeous. It's a beautiful day. Here is the Pyramid Indian Reservation. If you keep going this way, that's where Black Rock Desert is and where they hold Burning Man once a year. Yeah. They just got here. Watch for, hold it! Stop! 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 Look where you're at. Oh, that was almost a small disaster. Just rig, man. Alrighty, well, they made it, and we're about ready to take off. Phil, Eric, Jackson, they're all on the last ride with us. That ride was pretty fun. And this one today, too, is going to be amazing. So come along for the ride. It's going to be a great day. Yeah, tungsten ore was discovered at the Nightingale Mine in about 1917 by Alex Ranson and Associates. And for 2 years, small amounts were shipped to the mill in Tulum. In 1929, the property was acquired by the Gold Silver Tungsten Mining Company. And it operated intermittently before finally closing in 1939. The district mines, including the Alpine and Pershing, and those are the two that we're going to head to today, were purchased by the Rare Metal Corporation in 1943 and worked during World War II and the Korean War, but all the work finally ceased in 1956. You never know what's going to happen when you go through the dry lake, but sometimes you get weird weather up here and there could be puddles of water, the sand is really soft. We just had to stop here, saw these caves, and we did find some caves up here. A little bit different location with a bunch of petroglyphs. So check this one out. Looks pretty cool.
Yeah, it's only about 3 feet.
Well, if you got in a pinch, I'd put my sleeping bag right here. Get a fire going. There's only one problem.
Put your mountain lion right here.
It's
horse manure to
it's 20 miles
fire?
to the nearest firewood. Yeah, you can see it's a little chilly up here because look at all the frost still. You can tell there's been a lot of water coming down this area, and we're riding all the way back up through there. Gorgeous, though. This is awesome. Again, didn't bring my lights.
I got both.
Okay. Keep out! Danger! Just because looks like somebody might be mining it. I just had to take a peek in there, see what's going on. They drug this trailer all the way up from the bottom of the canyon down there. Looks like they could be mining in there, so we don't want to disrupt anything. We're at the Nightingale Mine. See all the structures back in 1917. I think this was all covered at one time, I'm not really sure. But they went to a lot of work. This whole area is all full of mines and caves and stuff, and they processed the ore, and they actually had to, I don't even know how they got it out there, because I said 1917, way out there towards, as you're going towards Lovelock, is a Tulum mill. That's why they had to bring all the ore out to mill it. So quite the big operation. So we're headed in this mine over here. And not sure what we're gonna find. We've found rattlesnakes before. We've found a fox that we thought was a mountain lion in there once. In another mine. Bats. Good place for a mountain lion. I'd be sleeping in there.
Let's hope we find nothing. Yeah.
So that's why we're gonna send Jackson in first. Because he can run faster than all of us.
Firm ground.
You go in first, Phil, and if you see anything that's rattling or any big green eyes, we'll go get help. Oh yeah. Oh, I can feel air. You got airflow?
Oh wow. It opens up.
Yeah.
See it up. You can see what they were.
Yeah, it's always tight. See all the ore in here, or the quartz?
Yeah. That's amazing.
Okay, let me all right, so I got my gas detector. Phil, you're in charge of the gas detector. Here. If you hear beeping noise, we'll start running for help.
Grab a hold of it. You can see what they were after. Look at
Let me
the
go in.
quartz veins in the ceiling here.
Just so I can see.
Oh yeah, you have a way better way.
Okay. There is a big drop off on the left here. Oh, okay, cool. What? So try not to step right in here. You see what's down there?
Do you see that?
Shine that flashlight down there. Look at that. Holy smokes.
Jeez.
I'm scared looking down there. What is that, 100 feet?
Probably.
Oh, look at all this above us. Yeah, so watch where you're stepping. You're stepping right there at the edge, and that timber is not stable. That one your foot's on? That one that's breaking right now?
This is what you were talking about. It goes out. There's light.
Oh, this is sick. Well, you know what they say. Don't go in a mine when you see a lot of big rocks come down. Just like this.
That's how you change it.
So this looks like area in here. Obviously there's a bunch of levels below us. And this looks like it collapsed at one time. I'll keep going. Man, this thing looks massive when you guys are down in here. Is that another?
Oh yeah, it goes somewhere.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
On the way back, we'll check it out.
Yeah, and it looks like there might be a shaft
Oh,
that
gee.
goes that way.
Look at this. This is huge.
Big.
Phil, if I gave you a shovel, how long would it take you to dig this? 12 years.
That's weird that. Look on you. Fall down.
Just slide. That goes through, huh? Jurassic Park, where there's a big dinosaur back in here that's been lost for a million years.
Yeah, it's like the entrance to the Lost World.
Yeah, that's right. That's what the movie was. It's heavy. Check this out. So here's all the drill holes where they're putting the dynamite in, blasting through here. They decided to take a left. Hey, what's on the wall on the right? To your right, Phil. Are those bats? No? What is that? I mean, I don't know how many levels this thing has. There's one above us, though.
I can see light coming in too. Oh no, I can't. It's just the flashlight's so bright. It's illuminating. Yeah.
Here's a big timber.
Oh wow. That's why there's no trees around here. They cut them all down.
How did you line up that?
You know what?
Yeah.
You know what's good about this pistol? You got a better range of protecting yourself in a cave. I mean, a mine. Boy, they must have had ore carts in here. This is a pretty tall ceiling. Just think, Phil, we were by this thing 3 years ago and didn't bother going in. That was a mistake.
Yeah.
I don't feel any airflow, do you guys?
No.
It's warm in here. Oh, I think this is about it. Yeah, if you look at never fear, Shane was here. Thanks, Shane. Yeah, they're boring through solid granite. The videos we did a while back, and we were inside the mine like this, and our buddy was in front of us, and he started saying, hey, I think there's a mountain lion coming at us. And I looked and I could see these green eyes running towards us, and we're way back in this mine. And I thought we were goners, man. There's nowhere to go, and this thing kept running at us. I just pinned myself against the side, and it was a big fox, and he just stopped and stared at me and just kept running out the, mine like, what are you guys doing here? This might say 110 feet back here. Again, looking at the drill holes. I feel like we're coming out to another world here. That's it?
Circle back around.
I think that goes around, huh?
You can see there's a shaft over there.
If you ever think about a rock hitting you in the head, this is a big one. Up, 2 steps back. You got it?
Well, I guess we survived the survival portion of the video this time, because we went 150 feet deep into a mine shaft and came out alive. Barely.
We still got 40 more feet to go, though.
Yeah.
And you're above this rock that's all cracking.
Yeah, there's dust coming down from up there.
While going in that mine, that was pretty cool. So these guys are checking out the ruins of the big mine up here. The one thing about going in those mines, we could see there was multiple levels above us and below us. And this whole mountainside is like honeycombed with that. We're gonna check out that mine in there. So we're going down the slide into Jurassic World. I could feel air coming out of this one though. Watch your head.
Oh yeah, it is a hole.
So I think, let's go on the other side of this. I think there's a drop off in here somewhere. That's got to wait 100 feet straight down. So you can see where the ore tracks must have been up here. They've dropped the ore bands through here. Came out this way somewhere. Oh, here's the tracks too. So this dead ends right here, but this one post is holding up this whole ceiling. What am I looking at right here? What is this stuff?
It looks like a dead something or another that. Oh no, it was like a little fire. I don't know what that was.
You can see, oh, there's a pack rat living above us. Here's some.
Oh. That looked like it was a dead creature.
Okay, you guys stay to the left up here. There's a drop off about 150 feet straight down.
Oh, that was where we were just at.
Yeah, it's the other side.
God. That was wood.
Yeah, it's timber. Watch out.
That was that wood.
Get up there.
Yeah, please.
That was that wood platform that was standing on. You can see it from right here.
Yes.
Yeah, but
Like at the dam.
way down in there.
It's shafted down. Yeah, because look at the. See where they drug the ore cart straight up that thing?
That is nuts.
It is like sulfur or something.
Yeah, don't go that way.
See that? What's that look like?
Chunk of quartz right
Yeah, look at that.
That is huge.
That's really pretty. I just don't want to touch any of this stuff in here. Throw that big one. I think solid gold. Don't get too close.
Yeah, stay right there.
Hold your rock up. Look at it in the light. All right.
That was pretty fun. We're going up to the top of the Nightingale Mountains. That's where we came from, down in that direction. So we're gonna head up over here, and we're gonna head to a mine called the Alpine mine. And we've been there once a few years ago, and the road's on the side of this almost cliff, so it's a little scary, but the views from up here are spectacular. Yeah, so you can see out there, that's the Winnemucca Dry Lake bed, and you see how black these mountains are. These, that's what we were looking at. We're coming up the big black mountain. That's where we're headed, right to the top, way out there. See Pyramid Lake. Boulders come crashing through us. Just wide enough for the rig. Yeah, this reinforced box, that could be where they stored the dynamite. Only thing I'd be worried about, but it's not snake season, it's snakes. So I think we're okay. That's why I didn't go in here. We're in here in the summer. Thank God we got an 18-year-old kid who's skinny. Don't go too much farther than you can see, because I think it does open up into some kind of shaft. It's like the Wizard of Oz, you know, when the witch's legs are sticking out from under the house. That's exactly what it looks like right now. There's a mountain of rock on top of this.
Or like a rock slide. Like a water slide, but a rock slide. Off you go!
The good thing is... So... this big rock is on my nose. Oh yeah. Oh, it's cool. Oh yeah, this is sweet.
It goes super far that way too. I don't know. It's not a door.
Okay, hold on. Might want to think about losing a couple pounds. Just saying.
Yeah, if I were any fatter.
You want me to just grab your feet and just pull you?
Yeah, grab my feet and just slide me out, will you? There we go.
Hey.
Oh, there's light out here. Yeah, it opens up.
Look at this thing.
Whoa.
This is incredible. What? Look at this.
Wow. I should take my sunglasses off. I might be able to see.
Yeah, I almost came over with
Wow, look at this. You think this was a cave in? That don't look...
Yeah, definitely. That's not how it was originally.
Yeah, don't touch the timbers. Because...
oh, there's a...
look at this. This timber
it goes down too.
holds this whole roof up above your head.
You want to get in here a little closer and check it out, Eric?
Look at this big old piece of quartz.
Oh wait, we can jump.
Here, look at the timbering in here.
Wow.
The cuts. How they put these just don't even go any closer.
Yeah, that's too close.
This is too sketchy. This is not worth it. Man. This is crazy.
Feet, you're having to walk across these timbers to get over to the...
Look at this.
Yeah.
These are size of telephone poles. I can't even see how deep it is, but look at how big the timbers are. So I'm hanging the GoPro over the top. See what it looks like. It's pretty cool looking. Look at
I was kind of hoping that.
look at the tracks coming through here. The
Yeah.
ore tracks.
Oh yeah.
So that thing went all the way in there somewhere. Straight.
Look at all the
Oh, there's a huge.
timbers up there.
Yeah, this is not going to be that. I mean, look how they put the timbers just pressured up against these walls so they didn't cave in. I mean,
Just keep it from
can you
collapsing.
imagine working in this?
Yeah, you gotta wonder, did they put those in before they dug down this far, or were
As they
Well,
had.
they came in through that. This is all collapsed up to this point.
Yeah, there's another
So
way
they
in,
had
but
to
I think it's
climb up and
collapsed.
Put those in there.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know.
Well, that's
As they're
the
boring
rail
down,
car
they're
thing
probably.
that pulls it up from the shaft below.
Yeah.
That's that box right
Oh,
there.
yeah.
Like we saw in that last one.
Yeah.
There's rope in the
You go first,
Talon and the Can-Am.
and you might
Oh, you
have
guys got a
to pull us out.
I need to get a winch. I have one in the front of the Can-Am.
Watch your back. Watch your back. There you go. There you go. Perfect.
It sounds like someone's driving up the road when he's going out that way. Doesn't it?
All right, Jackson.
Yep.
Take this. Oh shit! I'm like a mole coming out of his house. Oh jeez. That was fun. Here,
Here, take the light.
you got it. Your back's just barely touching the rocks.
And
And
Free Willy! Or in this case, Free Philly.
dig out in front of you.
Yeah, it's that last.
It's this part right here.
Yeah,
that's-
it's really soft though.
Yeah, it's easy to
I mean,
move.
at one time this could have been, 4 or 5 feet high. Okay, get on your belly. Jackson, pull him out.
Yeah.
Phil.
Put your arms out, we'll grab you.
Yeah.
That was a lot easier coming out.
Oh, that was awesome. That's
That's like
funny.
when Carl pulled me down. I'm like, yeah, like a water slide.
Wow, look at this view. That's view. I said that's 21 times. This is 22 times. You guys are official mine explorers.
That's right.
And this is the first mines you've been in, right?
Yeah.
And you didn't get killed or anything, so your wife's going to be happy about that. Or then again,
close.
she might not be. Who knows?
And I'll say they went way deeper than you and I ever did on our first few adventures. We were like 10 feet. Oh, cool. Let's get out of here.
Yeah, we've been down here a few years ago. We poked our head in there and said, nope, we're not doing it. But we did it.
Full of dirt.
So now we're going to have a beer.
There you go.
Yeah. Don't go too. And why? Look at this. We're below the mine that we just went in.
Who built the cabin on the side of a cliff? Nice beam. Not sure it's too safe to walk in here because, well, we'll walk around outside without trying to fall off the cliff first. Yeah. All right, looks somewhat solid. You know what that means?
We're going.
Go for it. Find yourself a beer there.
Oh, can of soda. Okay, we're headed out to find our lunch spot because I'm starving. We're gonna have a gourmet lunch. Well, we're cooking lunch up. We get some prime rib right there, grilled onions, and we got Gouda cheese, provolone cheese. We got the secret, my wife's secret potato salad, which is bomb. And Eric claims he eats better here than this at home, but we won't show this video to his wife because then he'll be in trouble.
Meat coming off the grill.
Looking good.
Going on the sandwiches. And then the plan is we're gonna wrap them back up and throw them on the grill.
Or we're just gonna eat it.
Well, yeah, we could do that
We do
too.
not care. Okay.
There's number 1. Oh, did you do the challenge?
The what?
At the end of the day, there are your gourmet sandwiches. Out in the... Where the hell are we?
Nowhere.
Nowhere. No.
There's no maps of this area.
It doesn't matter because we're about to eat
Oh, yeah. Let's just eat it.
Enjoy, guys.
Oh, look at that.
Went
Yeah. I need to know how that gourmet potato salad was that my wife made. Was it any good?
Very good.
Jackson, you can finish it because you can eat more than us. I know it.
I don't know if you can
Phil,
eat that
any
much.
good?
I'm too busy stuffing my face to comment.
Well,
That tells you how it is.
on that notation, I think we're going to end the video here. This was an amazing day. I hope you guys had fun. We appreciate you guys supporting the channel and coming along for the ride with us. What do you guys think? Thought
Awesome
process?
day.
Yeah, it was pretty fun. You know, we're just lucky that we can get out here and do this stuff, and we're lucky that we got supporters for the channel, so we do keep doing this stuff, and we're going to see you guys on the next one. It's going to be super fun too. If you like that video, subscribe to the channel, SideXSide Survival and Adventures. We appreciate you watching. We got lots of great stuff uploaded, and we got a lot of great stuff coming in the future. So we'll see you all on the next one.